Hello everyone.
Welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you one honest question. It is 2026 now. Do you still want to understand English, but not speak it? Or do you want to speak English confidently, without fear? If your answer is yes, then watch this video till the end, because today, I will share the complete English learning roadmap for 2026. No motivation, no confusion, only clear steps that actually work. Part 1. The biggest mistake, very important. Before we start the roadmap, you must understand one thing. Most people fail in English because they do everything at the same time. Grammar, vocabulary, speaking, listening. This creates confusion. In 2026, English learning is step by step, not random. So follow this roadmap in order. Step 1. Foundation month 1-2. Your foundation decides everything. In this stage, your goal is not fluency. Your goal is comfort with English. What to do? Learn basic sentence structures. Use present, past, future in daily sentences. Focus on daily life English, not book English. Example, I wake up at a.m. I am learning English. I watched a movie yesterday. Don't try to speak fast. Don't worry about mistakes. Slow English is better than silent English. Step 2. Thinking in English month 3. This is the game changer. If you think in Hindi and translate, you will always struggle. So in this stage, your goal is stop translating. Start thinking in English. Daily practice. Self-talk in English 5-10 minutes. Describe what you see. I am walking. The weather is nice. Think in short sentences, not long ones. This habit alone can improve your English by 50%. Step 3. Vocabulary the smart way month 4. In 2026, we don't learn vocabulary like this. Happy equals. Angry equals. We learn vocabulary in sentences. Correct way. I am happy today. Don't get angry with me. This makes sense. Learn useful words, not difficult words. 5 new words a day, with 2-3 sentences each. That is enough. Step 4. Listening and pronunciation month 5. If you can't understand spoken English, you can't speak confidently. So now focus on listening. What to watch? English YouTube videos slow and clear. Short podcasts. English reels with subtitles. Practice. Listen, pause, repeat. Copy the sound, not the spelling. Remember, good listening creates good speaking. Step 5. Speaking practice month 6. Now, it's time to speak more. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after speaking, not before. How to practice? Speak alone daily mirror method. Record your voice. Speak on one topic for 1 minute. Example topics. My daily routine, my job, my future plans. Fluency comes from daily speaking, not grammar books. Step 6. Grammar for fluency month 7. Now, grammar will help you. Earlier, grammar confused you. Now, grammar will polish your English. Focus on tenses revision, prepositions, common sentence patterns. Learn grammar to correct your speech, not to stop speaking. Step 7. Real life English month 8+. This is the final level. Now practice. Phone call English, office English, interview English, public speaking basics. At this stage, your English becomes natural. You don't translate. You don't panic. You just speak. Final truth, very important. English is not a subject. English is a skill, and skills improve only with daily use. If you follow this roadmap honestly, I promise you one thing. In 2026, people will ask you, how did your English become so good? If you found this roadmap helpful, like the video, share it with serious learners. Subscribe for step-by-step English speaking lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.